Thank you for tuning in into my channel where you find all about mixed media, art journal, collage, assemblage and anything else that sparks my interest. Hi, my name is Grob and I'm glad you are here. Hey all, welcome back to Journal 15 Minutes with me. I'm glad you found my channel if you are new here and if you are since a while with me. I'm glad you're here back. Okay, today's project, well, I have just pulled out paint. No gluing, no collaging, no nothing. I even don't need that. Maybe I need it, I don't know yet. We'll see. Anyway, it is springtime, isn't it? So means flowers. So I want to do some abstract quick flowers, but I first want to have a background. And I want to have a rather dark background, so but not a really black. Not a huge fan of too much black. I do like black in some spots, but not all black. Anyway, so I'm gonna start by painting a simple plain purple background, and I did dip my brush in water and wipe off any excess as usual, and I simply apply it right onto the paper, and now I'm gonna spread it. It is a rather older paint, so I may or may not use some water. I'm not sure, maybe a little bit. Oh, I forgot to put the timer. Okay, let's put it on 14 minutes. Here we go. Sorry about that. And I don't want flat, I want a more textured surface. That's personal preference. I like to see the strokes of the brush. And it's, by the way, it's well, about an inch, half an inch flat brush. It's a synthetic brush. Now for the next step, it is really important that your page is completely dry, because I want to play with the Posca pen. And if you feel more comfortable to make what I want to do is kind of roses, you can start with graphite pencil, sorry. But I actually like to go right in, because it's anyway hard to see, so my goal is to have sort of abstract roses here. I also gonna add like little twigs. And maybe some larger leaves also. And maybe a second rose here. And I try not to lift my pen, except here where I'm at the end of the page. Now I have prepared me some colors here, and I'm gonna just slap in some colors. I'm not going crazy with painting in. Now I'm gonna need that again, and I'm gonna go along the lines, but I do not go directly. I mean, I want a little bit of a double line, and it is not quite dry yet, so means I'm gonna pick up some of the paint, but we are on a time restriction, so from time to time you have to clean your dip. So it is very expressive, very abstract. So I'm not quite done. I'm still gonna finish it. I hope you're gonna accept that. I just wanna finish it. Okay, here we are. Took me about 15.5 minutes. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the little quick art journal page. If you want to do these roses, I mean, you don't have to be under stress. You can take your time and try your paint before you actually go over again with the Posca pen, and I did leave that on purpose white, yeah, just white, no colors in, just for a little variation. I hope to see you soon again. Take care, bye.